students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Mirwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as process costing. Let us see this. We are doing question number 21 in the books of assemblers, in the books of Assemblers Limited. They bring you three processes: general process, lower process and higher process. Right, let's start. Now they bring you raw material to raw material. Raw material is given to you as 5,000 units. Raw material cost per liter is 60. Now 60 rupees per liter and 5,000 liters, that is going to be 3 lakhs. Okay. Now once you've done that, then you have to labor. Labor is 4,28,000. Then you have 2 direct wages. Direct wages is 88,000. Right? That's it. Okay, those are the only 3 things given. Let's move on to the lower process. To raw material. Raw material is 1920 units at the rate of 40 rupees per unit. So 1920 and 40 will give you 76,800. Then you will have 2 labor. Labor is going to be 1,06,000. Then you have 2 direct expenses. Direct expenses is 2,85,200. Right? Next, let's see the higher process. In higher process, they give you raw material to raw material. Raw material is given to you as 3,576 units at the rate of 80 rupees per unit, which will be 2,86,080. Right? Then you have 2 labor is given to you as 2,10,000, and then you have 2 direct expenses. Direct expenses is 1,04,800. Okay, now let's start. They've given you, let's first add this. We've transferred all the entries. We want to start with the tally. Let's add this. 5,000 is the units. 3 lakh plus 4 lakh 28,000 plus 88,000 will give you 8 lakh 16,000. So for general process, units, rupees, you will have 5,000 units and the rupees is going to be 8 lakh 16,000. Right? Now let's see this. They give you wastage as a percentage of total input is 4%. Wastage is given to you as 4%. 4% on 5,000 is going to be 4% on 5,000 is going to be 200. They haven't said that it has any realizable value, so its realizable value is nil. So this is 4,800 and 8,16,000. Okay. Now we are saying that 60% is transferred to the lower process. Right? Transfer is 60%. Transfer is always at the rate of CPU. First, let's find out the CPU. How do I get CPU? 8,16,000 divided by 4,800, which will be 170. So your CPU will be 170. Now, 60% of 4,800 is going to be 2,880. 2,880 into 170 will be 4,89,600. Now if 60% is transferred, then 40% will be sold. Now your sale 40% of 4800 is going to be 1920, right? Sale has to always be at sale price. Sale price is 200 rupees. So 1920 into 200 rupees will be 3,84,000. Transfer this. So if I transfer this is going to be by normal loss. Normal loss is 200. Then by lower process. Lower process is 2,880 and 4,89,600, and by sale is 1920 and 3,84,000. Tally this, right? Units are going to be 5,000. Units are going to be 5,000. Now when you add this total is going to be, someone please add that 4,89,600 plus 3,84,000. That should be
8,73,600.
Right, 8,73,600. The difference is going to be to costing P&L. Right, costing P&L, the difference is going to be 57,600.
Yes.
Right. Now let's see this transfer. This is to general process. You are going to be transferring 2,880 units at 4,89,600. Right. Now let's start with the tallying of this. 2,880 plus 1,920 will give you 4,800 units. Lower process units rupees will give you 4,800 units. Right? Now, if I add all the expenses, that is 4,89,600, 76,800, 1,06,000 and 2,85,200, I'll get 9,57,600. 9,57,600. Normal loss is given to you as 5%. 5% of 4,800. 5% of 4,800 will be 240. It has no realizable value. Subtract this. So when you subtract this will be 4,560 and 9,57,600. Transfer to higher process, they've said is 40%. Now before that you have to get the CPU. How will you get CPU? Rupees divided by unit will give you CPU. So 9,57,600 divided by 4560 will give you CPU. So CPU will be 210. Right? Transfer is given to you as 40%. Transfer will be 40% at the rate of CPU. So 40% of 4560 is going to be
1824.
1824 at the rate of CPU. So 1824 into 210 will be 3,83,040. 3,83,040. 60% is sales. So 60% of 4560 is going to be 2736. Right? Sale has to be calculated at sale price. Sale price is given to you as 205. So 2736 into 205 will give you 5,60,880. 5,60,880. Fine. Now let's transfer this. This is by normal loss. Normal loss is 240 and nil. This is by higher process. That's your transfer. Higher process is 1824 units and 3,83,040, and this is going to be by sale. Sale is going to be 2736 and 5,60,880. Carry this. So the units are going to be 4,800. Units are going to be 4,800, and the addition on the credit side, no, the debit side I presume is going to be higher. So the debit side is going to be 9,57,600. 9,57,600. The difference is going to be by costing P&L
13,680.
13,680. Right? Now transfer this. This is going to be to lower process. Lower process is 1824 and that's 3,83,040. Right? Now let's see this. When you add this, lower process, higher process, units, rupees. Right? Now total cost is going to be 1824 plus 3576. 1824 plus 3576 is going to be 5,400. Units are going to be 5,400 and total cost is going to be 3,83,040, 2,86,080, 210 and 1,04,800 will give you 9,83,920. 9,83,920. Right? Normal loss. Normal loss is given to you as 10%. 10% of 5,400 is 540. It has no realizable value. Now 5,400 minus 540 will give you 4,860. 4,860, 9,83,920. Let us get the CPU. How do I get the CPU? 983,920 divided by 4860. So in that case, my CPU will be 202.45.
202.45.
Right? There is no transfer here. The entire thing is sold, so 4860 sold. Sale price is given to you as 250. So 4860 into 250 will give you 12,15,000.
Yes.
Right? Let's transfer these entries. This is going to be by normal loss is 540 and nil, and by sale is 4860 and 12,15,000. Tally. If you tally, this will be 5,400. This is 5,400. This is 12,15,000. This is 12,15,000. Right? Now, the profit in this case is going to be 2,31,080. 2,31,080. This is going to be to costing P&L. Okay. Now, once all this is done, you need to make your costing P&L account. Let's see how do we make costing P&L. Costing P&L. Right? You have costing P&L on the debit side in general process. So this will be by general process 57,600. You have costing P&L on the credit side in the lower process. So to lower process is 13,680. You have costing P&L on the debit side. So this is going to be by higher process is 2,31,080. Besides that, they have given you certain expenses which do not go in process but go in costing P&L. Like they have given you two administrative expenses. Administrative overheads is 36,000, and they have also given you marketing overheads. Marketing overheads is given to you as 48,000. So when you tally this will give you your net profit. Now 57,600 plus 2,31,080 is 2,88,680.
Yes.
2,88,680. This is going to be to profit or to net profit, which is going to be 1,91,000. Right? This finishes the sum. We will stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.